Hi, I'm Tracy with Team Gabriel at Coldwell Banker. Take a look at my newest listing, located at 24 Neptune Avenue in Moodus, Connecticut. So come on in and let's take a look around at this gorgeous ranch-style bungalow. It is kind of like a vacation destination, easy to maintain with hardwood floors, freshly painted interior. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy the summer. Spacious living room. Hardwood floors throughout. Two bedrooms, newer vinyl floors and painting in both of the bedrooms. The third in the basement that could be used as a third bedroom. One bath. You have a beautiful porch to enjoy summer evenings. A very young roof and furnace. Located very close to the Salmon River and the Goodspeed Opera House, your vacation destination from home. Thanks for taking the time to view our newest listing today. If you'd like to be among the first to have your private showing, feel free to call, email, or text. I can be reached at 860-926-5121. Or you can email me, Tracy, at teamgabriel.net. Thanks, and have a great day.